Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are stepping into the cozy, charming world of country cottage home decor. If you love soft, inviting spaces filled with vintage charm, rustic details, and a touch of nature, you are in the right place. From floral patterns and wooden accents to handmade touches and cozy corners, we will share practical tips and creative ideas to transform your home into a warm, timeless cottage retreat. So, grab a cup of tea, get comfy, and let's bring the countryside charm into your home. Here are some country cottage inspired home decor tips to make your home feel cozy, timeless, and charming. Layer different fabrics, mix soft grass, lace curtains, and cotton cushions for a lived-in, cozy feel. Use distressed furniture, slightly chipped paint, or own wood adds character and authenticity. Create a feature wall. Use floral wallpaper, vintage panels, or shiplap for a cottage charm focal point. Incorporate soft pastel accents, mint green, dusty pink, or sky blue accessories. Brighten the space sharply. Display collections, porcelain teacups, vintage chairs, or ceramic figurines add personality. Add a reading nook, a comfy chair, soft light, and a small bookshelf. Make a cozy corner. Use open shelving in the kitchen. Show off dishes, glassware, and rustic chairs for a farmhouse look. Hang wreaths or garlands, seasonal greenery, or dried flowers on walls and doors adds a natural touch. Mix metal and wood accents, bronze, copper, or iron candle holders and handles complement wooden furniture. Use soft rugs in layers, small rugs on wooden floors add warmth and texture. Display fresh herbs, small pots of rosemary, thyme, or lavender in the kitchen are functional and fragrant. Bring in vintage lighting, lantern style lamps, candlelights, or sconces enhance the cottage aesthetic. Use natural baskets for storage. Wicker or rattan baskets keep things steady while adding charm. Decorate mantels simply. Candles, small plants, or antique frames create cozy focal points. Hang simple curtains. Light fabrics that flow naturally give an airy, romantic feel. Display seasonal decor. Switch out flowers, fabrics, or accessories for a subtle seasonal vibe. Use soft, cozy bedding, layer quilts, duvets, and cushions for cottage bedroom comfort. Keep personal touches, heirlooms, framed memories, or handmade items make the home unique and inviting. Use soft, cozy drawers everywhere. Drape them over sofas, chairs, or beds for warmth and texture. Add vintage clocks, wall or mantel clocks with an old-fashioned style. Add character. Incorporate messengers. Use them as vases, candle holders, or storage for a rustic touch. Choose from house-style cabinet handles. Simple iron or bronze handles fit the cottage vibe. Add a window seat. Cushioned seats with pillows make a dreamy cottage reading spot. Include oven rugs, jute, sisal, or braided rugs. Add natural texture and warmth. Display handmade quilts. Hang or fold quilts to showcase artistry and add comfort. Use rustic wooden trays, perfect for coffee tables or kitchen counters to organize items. Add greenery everywhere. Potted plants, ivy, or small trees bring nature indoors. Use soft, muted table linens, tablecloths or runners in linen or cotton. Add cottage charm. Mix old and new lighting. Combine rustic lamps with modern touches for balance. Decorate with candles. Soft candlelight creates cozy and inviting spaces. Include plastic baskets for blankets, stylish storage that's functional and cozy. Add shiplap or wood paneling. A wall of horizontal boards instantly adds rustic charm. Display seasonal flowers. Swiss blooms is season for a fresh, natural vibe. Use open back shelving in kitchens or living rooms. It makes spaces feel airy and showcases pretty items. Hang painted tea towels, functional yet decorative, in the kitchen for a cottage feel. Decorate with antique books. Stack them on tables or shelves to add charm and history. Use soft curtains with tie backs, linen or cotton in gentle colors to let light in and feel airy. Incorporate a wooden ladder. Lean it in a corner for blankets or decorative displays. Add a vintage-style rug runner. Hallways or kitchens feel cozy and inviting. Use neutral or muted wallpaper. Small florals, checks or subtle textures add cottage flair. Include a wooden crate display. Stack threads for storage or as side tables. Mix soft and hard surfaces. Wooden tables with soft linen table runners balance texture. Use chalkboards or rustic signs. Font for kitchen notes or inspirational messages. Mix old and new. Pair modern items with vintage pieces to keep the style charming but practical. Thanks for watching the video.